So what if I told you that in 2024, you can start your very own online business for absolutely free? Would you believe it? It's unheard of, right? Well, in this video, we're here to tell you all that the opportunity actually exists, and we're going to break down how you can take advantage of it right now. What's going on, everybody? It's your man JL representing Ecom Ellis, man. This is a platform where we try to properly inform, educate, and prepare people for business ownership in the e-commerce marketplace. So if you're new, welcome. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share. Helps get the content out there. We have a game changer for you all, because what we're going to be talking about in this video is something that is unprecedented. Okay, we're talking about how starting an online business in 2024 can happen for absolutely free. Now, mind you, this is a limited time offer. Okay, what we're going to be talking about is how you can get started January 1st with an online business where you can start making money absolutely free. Okay, because there are manufacturers out there that are offering complimentary registrations where you can get started in your very own online business. Now, why is this groundbreaking? Because never in the history in terms of business startups could you get started in a business for absolutely free. I'm not talking about with zero money down or using OPM, other people's money, or leveraging credit to do it. It's not required. You know, there are companies out there that will give you a customizable e-commerce platform and a business license where you can operate and create sales in all of North America and 100 plus countries and foreign territories outside of the US starting January 1st. Traditionally, there are ways when you can start a business or buy into a business with low to no upfront cost depending on the negotiation tactics, but this right here is cut and dry. There's no risk. Okay, and the benefits of having a business like this is that you have the ability to, again, create sales across the world. Okay, you're not limited by location. This is a very important feature right here, but also we're talking about low overhead and low investment. Okay, and in this case, we're talking no overhead and no investment whatsoever is required. Okay, but it's important that the businesses out there that can provide this have what we call a inelastic demand, meaning that regardless of the price, the demand for that product or service is always going to be in need from the masses. So you're always going to be able to be in business. And with this business opportunity, you have the capability of making money every single day, literally getting paid out every single day, the day that you get started. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we're going to hold some information consultations for everybody that clicks the link down below. We are opening up our entire calendar for the next 2 weeks and for the entire month of January, because this opportunity is only going to last for the first month of the year. Okay, you have till the end of January to take advantage of this opportunity. And what comes with this opportunity, you have the ability of getting your own e-commerce website set up, getting your business license, and there are also additional features where you can get a Bank of America Visa credit card through this business portal right here with no paperwork whatsoever. Even though it is unheard of, it's just for a limited time only. So take advantage of it. We're going to provide more information on the entire incentive plan. We're going to talk about the manufacturers that are out there that are providing this opportunity. And then we're going to tell you how you can benefit from it right now. But we have 2 weeks until January 1st. My advice is get on the calendar right now, get as much information as possible, so when the first comes, you're ready to go. You can start your very own online business absolutely free. Talk about making history in a brand new year. This is how we're going to do it, because you can start making more money with zero upfront costs, zero risk, and you're not limited to how many people you can provide products or service to. There are no limitations. Doesn't matter where you're at in the country. You can just click the link down below, get some more information, and we look forward to providing that to you. Okay, so hopefully it's added some value. I'm sure it did. We're excited to open our entire calendar up to the masses to provide this great opportunity for you all, and we look forward to talking to you all one-on-one. You all take care. Happy holidays and happy new year.